Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to today's trade recap from Friday, today, the 16th of May. And yeah, what can I say? Today was, I don't know, kind of break-even trade. I made a bit of profit, but not too much. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Coming into market open, we had a huge sell-off immediately, and we even swept out this 15-minute low right here that I marked out pre-market. So I was like, pre-market sweep. I don't like to see that because my bias was short for the day. I have to be honest. I wanted to see a push to the upside to these highs, and then to take out these lows. But yeah, we had a pre-market sweep of these 15-minute lows right here. And from there, I was like, maybe I will change my bias. Maybe I'm long for the day because sometimes pre-market sweeps can be very, very powerful. But yeah, I was just waiting because we also had news today. We had consumer sentiments coming out at 5 p.m. So yeah, this was just high impact news. And I was like, okay, should I wait for the news to come out? Because maybe I will find a nice setup before the news. So sometimes this is also what I like to do. When I see a nice setup, I am considering to take a trade even though we have news still waiting for us to come out. So yeah, just to keep in mind, we had news coming out at 5 p.m. Coming to market open, as I said, we had the sell-off. I marked out this 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I could have also marked out this one. You know, it's just the situation where we have multiple fair value gaps on top of each other. Like, to be fair, all these 15-minute fair value gaps, they were just one huge 1 hour fair value gap, as you can see, that got respected. So I marked that out pre-market. I saw this fair value gap, and yeah, I kept this in mind, maybe to change my short bias into a bullish bias. And as you can see right now, the market is pushing up to these highs. So yeah, I was just waiting. I was very patient, and I was waiting for the sell-off to kind of get a reaction off of these fair value gaps. And I was also waiting for the equilibrium to get hit, because if you take the equilibrium from this leg up, I was like, okay, we took out equilibrium. We're now in this 1 hour fair value gap. You can go even deeper here into these 15-minute fair value gaps. And I was just waiting. So I scaled down to the 5-minute, see how market was behaving. And I saw that we were consolidating for a bit in this 1 hour fair value gap. So I thought, okay, now this is a sign of buying power. Let's just see if I will find a long setup, at least into these 5-minute equal highs. So I scaled down to the 1 minute. Let's see how that looks like right here. Remember, we took out pre-market this 15-minute low, this low right here. This is the wick here, pre-market. But we also had a pre-market sweep to the upside, which we can see here. So yeah, I scaled down to the 1 minute after I saw that we're consolidating into this huge fair value gap, and I was like, okay, this can be a point of a reversal, so maybe I will be able to catch that move before news comes out. And that's what I did. You can see right here, we had a nice response to the upside. We broke structure to the upside. Here. On that high right here with that blue candle. The break wasn't enough for me. I was definitely waiting for another confluence. And we also inversed later on with the next blue candle, with the next bullish candle, this bearish fair value gap. We inversed it. So it's an inverse fair value gap, which is another confluence for me that I got additionally to my break of structure. So yeah, not the best entry, but yeah, I was like, okay, we have to see a reversal right here. And then my take profits, I wanted to target these highs, at least maybe even these high time frame highs right here. So yeah, what happened? I saw after I entered, that maybe I'm able here to catch a nice move, and I just wanted to play it very safe because, as I said, my bias was short in the beginning, and now I ended up being in a long trade. So yeah, I wanted to check out what is the equilibrium from this entire leg down that we had. From here to here. Let me just delete this again. So from here to here. This is what I saw. This was the equilibrium that I took. And yeah, what did I do? I took off 20% of my position exactly at equilibrium. This equilibrium right here was my first take profit, because I wanted to make it very, very safe today to not end this week with a loss. So I took out 20% of my position right here, moved stops to break even. My second take profit would have been these highs right here, and then third take profit, these highs right here. So yeah, wait, let me mark that out for you. Why can't I do this? Doesn't matter. So this would have been my take profit. Let me mark out that high for you. Oh, here it is. Damn. Exactly. So this would have been the trade, but as you can see, news came out at 5 p.m. and yeah, I got stopped out at break even immediately. We had a huge sell-off due to the news, and yeah, got stopped out at break even after I closed out 20% at the equilibrium. So yeah, was it a nice trade? Not really. Like I took a trade against my bias, and I took a trade before news. I don't know. I thought I'm catching a good move right here, but in the end, this wasn't the play for the day. Definitely wait until high impact news are coming out next time for sure, because as you can see, news came out. We had manipulation further to the upside. Didn't even take out these highs, and then had a huge sell-off into these 50-minute lows that we formed, and now we're getting the real reversal, probably the real move for the day, and I'm pretty sure that we're going to take out my last take profit on these highs right here that I put. So I wasn't able to catch the move today, that's how I call it, but I was able to catch a tiny move. I didn't even look at the Nasdaq today. I don't know why. I just felt very confident on the ES. So yeah, I can draw in the trade, my trade idea for today again for you guys. This would have been my trade idea. A win is a win. It was only a small win, but yeah, that was basically today. So it's the end of the week. I hope you have a nice weekend whenever you're watching this video. And yeah, I hope I can help you with these videos. Hope you like it. And see you in the next trade recap.